This is the Pitbull Gold Head Shaver. It's meant to be held either like this or like this in order to use the 4 blades to shave your head. Now, right now I have it charging. It comes with a cord that goes to a USB outlet, and I'll show you the charging plug. It's just your basic razor charging port. Now, right now it does need to be charged, but to turn it on, you would just press this button, the power button. It does display the amount of power that it has on this screen. And then the great part is you can also remove this blade very, very easily. Just kind of pop it off like that using your finger, and then you can clean in here. This portion is reusable. I mean, it's all reusable, but this portion is what you would keep. This portion, they sell reusable blades that you can then, when they get dull, replace. And then you also do get a nice cap in case you want to travel with it. Overall, this shaver, my husband uses it. He really likes the fact that it's easy to hold. It does hold its charge pretty long, although it does need to be charged right now. It runs very quietly, and it does provide a close shave, and I don't believe he has ever nicked himself with it. So he's very pleased with the quality of the product, and would definitely highly recommend this. He's had a few razors similar to this style, and this has by far been his favorite.